Now we are standing in front of the masterpiece of Badami. So this you can able to see only in total India. You can able to see only here the Nadraja in 18 with his 18 hands. So Nadraja is the dancing position of Lord Shiva. So this side there are 9 hands and this side it is 9 hands. So totally he is performing the 9 hands, that is 18 hands, 9 into 9, 81 performance, that is 81 dancing position of Lord Shiva. So if you are seeing here, one hand he is having one mudra. So the first one you can able to see like this, it is Gaja Hasta Mudra, it is like a elephant trunk. So the second one if you are seeing, it will be like the Mushti Mudra, he will be keeping like this. So the third one it's Dhamara Mudra, he as always he will be keeping in hands, right? So like that he is having Dhamara Mudra. So the next one is the Abhaya Mudra, he will be keeping his hands like this. Then the Bharata Mudra, he will be keeping like this. Then it is the Chinna Mudra. Then it is the Khataka Mudra like this. Then if you are seeing here, it is the last, the Mayura Mudra, like the snake he will be holding the snake like this. Then last is Nritya Mudra, he will be keeping his hands in the belt. So and also if you are seeing here, Lord Vinayaga, that is Lord Ganesha, will be trying to dance like his father. As he is so fat, it can't able to be. And here you can able to see some musicians. So no dance can able to perform without musicians. So they have made it as like very clearly.